Alright, I see you then.
Okay, take care, bye.
Bye.
Wow, such a convenient piece of device, this Apple Watch. Did you know that Apple Watch was first introduced 10 years ago? What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. Did you know that 24th April marks the 10-year anniversary of the Apple Watch being available to the public? And because of that, I actually got the opportunity to talk with Deidre Caldbeck, the Senior Director of Product Marketing for Apple Watch and Health.
Yeah, hi Jason, it's really nice to meet you.
Hi Deidre, nice meeting you too. So anyway, just introducing myself. I'm Jason, a tech YouTuber from Malaysia. So I have a few questions for you, right? So the very first one is, how has the Apple Watch evolved since its introduction?
So when we were designing Apple Watch, we knew it would be a very personal device. You're wearing it on your wrist throughout the day. And so we did want to offer features that would really impact people's lives. And we started with a really great set of fitness features like the activity rings that motivated you to sit less, move more, and get some exercise. And we also, of course, had the ability to check your heart rate. And those features sort of evolved over time, but with the same objective in mind to impact users' lives. So for example, with the activity rings, we've added things like the ability to share your activity with friends and family. You can earn these special limited edition achievement awards. You can earn a monthly challenge. So we've added new features and enhancements, but always with the objective of impacting people's lives. And the same with our health features. The heart rate sensor was initially to allow you to check your heart rate and use it for calorimetry during workouts. But what was happening is we were hearing how having that information about your heart rate was giving users the ability to learn things about their health they wouldn't have otherwise noticed. And so we continued to pull on that thread and add new health features like heart rate notifications and ECG and even sleep tracking and all of these features that really just help users live a healthier life, get deeper insights into their health, and really empower them to make behavior changes or to really take control of their health.
Cool. And I'm actually very honored and happy to be part of this Apple Watch journey since day one.
Oh yeah? Since day one?
Yeah.
Oh wow, Jason,
yes,
that's amazing. Well, how is it?
I remember my very first Apple Watch.
Oh, that's so. Well, tell me how it's impacted your life.
I think it has generally made me a lot healthier and fitter because I've been using it to work out a lot.
Oh, that's so
religiously, I think since COVID, because I've been working out and using it to track. And of course, with the help of Apple Fitness Plus, it's a really great device to track my workouts.
I also love Fitness Plus. I do a lot of cycling classes and HIIT classes, and similarly, really started engaging with that during COVID. We were all home a lot and
definitely
needed to find ways to stay active.
Yep. So next question. What's a less talked about feature on the Apple Watch that you think people should know?
Well, the thing that's so amazing about Apple Watch is it impacts people in different ways. And there's different features that are so powerful for people, but different features. So I think we are lucky enough to sort of hear from users that, it's maybe the ability to track workouts and stay active. But then some users, even if that's what they bought the Apple Watch for, they then find that it's staying connected with messages or knowing that they can stay connected but leave their phone behind. Those are the things that impact them. So we're fortunate enough to hear a lot of these stories and hear from users about all the different features. But maybe what I'll say is that not necessarily a less talked about feature, but a less talked about health topic, which is really around mental well-being. And early on, we added the Breathe app to Apple Watch that just allowed you to take a moment and do a breathing session and try to be mindful, even if it's just for a few minutes. And we have over time enhanced our mental well-being features with the ability to reflect, or the ability to identify your moods and emotions and log your state of mind and see how different areas of your life, like sleep and exercise and the amount of time you spend outside, impacts your state of mind. And then with Fitness Plus, of course, we have the ability to do audio meditations and video meditations. And so I think using some of these features to get more insight into your mental well-being and be more mindful and present, I think is one of the things that I hope more people have awareness of and use and engage with in a more habitual way.
Yeah, I agree. Because first of all, the Breathe app actually looks really good.
Yeah.
And the breathing animation and also like the haptic feedback is really nice to feel on the wrist. I also feel that a lot of people should be using the app to, just calm ourselves down throughout, the whole hustle life every day, right?
Yes, absolutely. That's how I use it. There are times when, I just need a moment to take a deep breath and feel calm and in the moment. And it's a lovely visual that you can follow, and you can close your eyes and use the haptics to follow the breathing guidance. So it's really an impactful feature.
Yeah, and it can be done anywhere.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, cool. One last question. I don't want to take up your time. Any remarkable stories you've heard from users about their Apple Watch?
Gosh, it has been quite a journey these last 10 years and
anything that you can remember.
Yeah, I mean, really, honestly, the thing that is so amazing is we nearly every day hear from users about how Apple Watch has changed their lives. And it is certainly these stories about getting a high heart rate alert, feeling like maybe some symptoms and going to talk to a doctor and learning that there was a health condition that would maybe have otherwise not been discovered. And so we hear from users that they feel like Apple Watch has saved their lives, and that can be pretty remarkable. We hear stories about how, they've been using the watch for 10 years, and in those 10 years, it's really motivated them to change their habits and change their lifestyle and change their behavior and really change their overall view of their health and fitness, because they're able to get those insights every day and see how some of these just small steps of staying active can change in a profound way over time. And I think those are the stories for me that are the most impactful. Of course, having a user say that Apple Watch saved their life is pretty amazing, but for people that it's really driven these impactful behavior changes has been pretty remarkable.
Cool. I myself have actually experienced fall detection recently.
Oh, wow.
And I think it's a nice thing to say that I've only experienced it once throughout my whole Apple Watch journey.
Okay,
which
good.
means I don't fall all the time. But it's interesting to see how it actually got activated, and I personally get to see it on my watch. So that's a nice experience.
The fall detection feature has absolutely been a pretty impactful feature, and we hear these stories from people that took a hard fall, and in an extreme version of that story, they find themselves unconscious, and the watch was able to automatically call for help, and emergency services arrives and helps that user. And so those are pretty heartwarming and remarkable stories. So and we're just happy that it's one of those features we hope you never have to use, and certainly I hope that's the first and last time you end up using it. But it's so good to know that it's there.
Yeah, cool. Thank you very much, Deirdre, for your time.
Well, thank you so much. It was great to meet you.
And
thank you for sharing your experiences. I appreciate that.
So hope you enjoyed the conversation just now. The Apple Watch is truly a device that has changed my life throughout this whole 10 years journey. And the biggest aspect of change is definitely in the aspect of health and fitness. Basically, I use the Apple Watch every day to track my activities and also to use it as a companion when I work out with Apple Fitness Plus. And it's been a great device because I've been able to see my progress, and it has this feature whereby I can share my workouts with my friends so that my friends can get motivated when they see my workout progress. Other than that, I guess the main features that I use it most of the time is picking up calls and also answering to text messages. Text messages, for example, from Messages, WhatsApp, Telegram and stuff like that, all those can actually be replied using the on-screen controls on the Apple Watch. I can either use voice or even typing my messages on the little keyboard on the screen. Another feature that I really like on the Apple Watch is the ability for me to actually make payments and transactions by just tapping whenever I pay something. And because my studio now is powered by smart devices, my door lock can actually be unlocked using the Apple Watch. If I were to tell you all the other features that I love using on the Apple Watch, it would be a very long video, but I just want to mention another big feature that I use is the ability to find my devices on my wrist. So in case if you misplace your phone, or your AirPods or whatever, you can actually use the Find My app on the Apple Watch to locate where it is. And because you now get directions based on the arrows on the screen, it's a lot easier to find them. So Apple Watch has really been a great companion to me, and it has truly changed my life throughout these many years in the aspect of health and fitness, and also making my life and day-to-day more convenient. If you are an Apple Watch user, I am very sure you feel the same way as I do. But if you still don't own an Apple Watch yet, I would suggest that you go and try and give it an attempt to use in your life, because it will truly make your life better. And here I just want to wish Apple and also all Apple Watch users happy 10th anniversary and to many more years to come. Thanks for watching, and I hope you love videos like this. If you love videos like this, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.